How to change chat wallpaper online. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking for a way to change the chat wallpaper in the Line app to make your chat look more personal and fun, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open your Line application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of Line, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner, and then this will open up the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and click on Chats. Inside the Chat tab, go to Chat Wallpaper at the top and click on it. On the next page, select a different wallpaper for your chat screen, and then you'll be able to see the chat wallpaper preview on the screen. If you want to apply the wallpaper, go ahead and click on Apply at the bottom right corner. And now, head back to the home page and open up any chats. You'll then be able to see your chat wallpaper applied. Your conversation will now look fresh. Make sure to pick a wallpaper that isn't too bright or busy so that the messages remain easy to read during the chats. And that's it. You've successfully changed your chat wallpaper in Line. Now your chats feel more personal, stylish, and fun every time you open up the chat screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.